Just in time for you to have an ultimate meltdown.
But now we gotta find some stupid ass bird.
What do we want to ask? What do we want to ask?
Oh my god, did I just need to keep walking?
Why am I going up? Does up mean out?
Of course you go there.
But I cannot find her for the life of me.
I don't even know what kind of questions to ask for that.
But like, I can't really leave right now.
Get cursed, baby.
She's not going to be very happy about that.
I'm feeling pretty confident.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he's here. You sat outside, are you, Jake?
Now let's go in the park and track down my wife.
I don't know about Jake, but I'm having a great day.
And I don't know what to do. And my phone won't charge. And I'm stressed. Terrible news.
He has to know.
Monorail. Where?
Skedaddling.
Where are you, Georgia? Never mind, she just texted me back, she said no. Oh, curse.
Curse this little ass.
I am increasingly concerned.
Okay, so I think you've either done a really good job or done a really bad job.